Hi there, my name is Lenny, one of the developers for here at Illinois. In case you don't know, here is a web app designed for class attendance and engagement. It streamlines the check-in process with QR codes, tracks attendance in real time, and offers a rich set of features that enhance classroom interaction. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all the features I built in spring 2025 for CS 597 Independent Study. This project is supervised by Professor Abdul Alawini and managed by Tijong Chen. Our app began as an attendance tracking tool for courses at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. Now, with a growing user base and stable core features, we believe it's time to open the system to a broader audience. So I started introducing Google login support for external users. Previously, only users with a UIUC NetID can log in. Now, our systems support both Google and Illinois account for login. With this update, we're ready to scale our impact and serve thousands of new users. Our app already offers extensive tools for instructors to manage their courses. However, we hadn't yet implemented an easy way for instructors to modify attendance data or even view and download attendance data in flexible formats. Additionally, the previous user interface clustered all functionalities on a single page, making it hard for users to locate what they need. So this semester, I've added multiple views for attendance data, such as grouping by student or by class. And users can download attendance reports in whichever format they want. Instructors also have more granular control, including the ability to exclude specific classes from records with a simple click. The best part is, instructors can now edit attendance data directly. And all changes are instantly reflected across the platform. With this update, Here empowers instructors to manage attendance like a breeze. One of the issues with our current system is that when an instructor adds a core staff member, the staff does not automatically have access to the course on their homepage. This happens because each course runs on an isolated server, while a separate authentication server controls what courses users can access via its own access control logic. So when a staff role changes, we need a way to propagate what changes back to the authentication server. In this update, I designed a cloud-native solution using AWS Lambda and Simple Queue Service, or SQS. Simply put, when an instructor updates course staff roles, the course server emits an event to SQS. A Lambda function subscribes to that queue and then triggers the access right update on the authentication server. As a result, newly added course staff can have access to the course within seconds of the role changes. The HERE system currently uses multiple layers of encryption to ensure data security. One such layer is database-level encryption. However, despite isolating each course on a separate server and database cluster, the encryption secret has been universal across all courses. This is a major security risk that had not yet been addressed. To solve this, I've introduced course-level encryption key rotation. I designed an approach that leverages AWS System Manager (SSM) parameter store and Secrets Manager to securely store and rotate keys. After this update, instructors can now navigate to the Security tab in the Control panel and trigger key rotation. Once triggered, the course server immediately blocks all write requests to prevent data inconsistencies during the rotation process. Next, a redeploy command is issued to restart the course server. In development, I simulate this by making a small file changes that triggers a hot reload. Finally, once all data is decrypted and re-encrypted with the new keys, we can see that the encrypted strings have changed. This confirms a successful key rotation. That wraps up all the features I developed for CS597. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment or reach out through the developer team's contact page. Thank you for watching.